Hello, and welcome to your guided meditation practice for inner peace. Before we begin our meditation practice, I invite you to find a comfortable seat of your choosing. Permission to sit on a pillow, folded blanket, or a meditation cushion to lift your hips. If you are kneeling, feel free to place a folded blanket or a pillow on your calves and then sit back towards your heels. Wherever you land, I invite you to place your hands on your thighs with your palms facing towards the sky. Gently release your chin towards your chest, perhaps feeling a lovely stretch through the back of your neck. Now, begin to draw slow semicircles with your nose, moving from one side to the other. Bring your head back to center, and then lift your chin so that way it is parallel to the earth. Now draw your shoulders up towards your ears. Shoulders now move back in space. And now shoulders melt away from your ears. 2 more rounds. Up, back, and then shoulder blades glide down the back body. Up, back, and down. I invite you to take a slow, cool breath in through your nose. And then on your breath out, either close your eyes or look down and past your nose. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's explore our personal understanding of inner peace. What does inner peace feel like? What words would you use to describe inner peace? Is inner peace possible when there is a lot going on in your life? Let's combine breath with action to help us explore these questions. As you breathe in through your nose, I invite you to make fists as you draw your shoulders up towards your ears. So we are creating tension in the physical body. And then as you breathe out through your nose, release that tension. Shoulders relax away from your ears, fingers uncurl and soften. Let's try this again. As you breathe in, create tension in your physical body. Take note of how this feels in both your mind and body. And now a slow breath out through your nose to soften and release any areas of tension. How do you feel? Breathe in as you normally would, and breathe out. When you find yourself feeling overwhelmed, stressed out, anxious, or out of sorts, the physical body responds. This response could be physical tension. Inner peace or calm may not feel possible at that very moment. This is where the power of the breath comes into play. The breath can wash away areas of physical, mental, and emotional tension, inviting a sense of calm, peace, and tranquility. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. This time, as you breathe in, you begin to feel warmth in and around your heart space. And then on your breath out, you notice the warmth starting to flow to other areas of your body. Breathe in, feeling the warmth in and around your heart space. And then as you breathe out, maybe you notice the warmth growing in size, exploring new areas. Continue breathing in and out. Perhaps in time, you notice the warmth encompassing you from head to toe. Breathe in, breathe out. Take a moment to notice how you feel, perhaps physically, energetically, emotionally. Tune in. I now invite you to wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently rock your head from side to side. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. I invite you to bring your palms together and then bring your hands to your heart. An invitation to smile here as you breathe in. And then as you breathe out, bow your head to your heart. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up here today. Feel free to return to this meditation practice whenever you feel it will serve you best. Sending lots of love to you. Namaste.